Here I have HUAWEI Nova 11i, and today I'm going to show you how to copy contacts from SIM card to this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open Contacts application, which you have pre-installed on your device. Then you should tap on this like square dot icon in the corner, go to its settings, then go to the import-export section, select import from SIM. Here you can select which contacts you want to import, and then just tap import. Phone. And now you will have these contacts, like one copy on your SIM card and another one on your device. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.